All right, welcome back to class, guys. So the next thing we want to be doing now is what we said. I said we are going to be inserting data into our our table exactly. So we have two ways of what inserting data into our SQL table. The first result is inserting data row by row. Like insert the first row, end it, then go to the next row. Second one, end it, then you add and down. And then we can add the kind of you can make it a kind of bulk inserting. Exactly. Then what can just say, okay, I will just write the query. I will not without ending it yet. I can write like 10 names I want to insert at once. Exactly. So what am I going to do? The first thing I'm going to do be doing is what I'm going to insert just a row. Exactly. Then after that, I'm going to be inserting 5 more rows. Exactly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, how do we go about inserting rows here? The way we go about this one is that now the first thing you want to do is that what is that you make sure and don't forget that what if you are inserting into your table, the number of values you want to insert must tally with the number of columns you are having. Exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is what to say insert into what's our table name? Our table name is what? Is SQL series, right? So I'm gonna say what? Insert into SQL series. Please take note of something in our Postgre. Postgre is case sensitive. What do I mean? You see all these insert into this SQL statement itself, they are not case sensitive. But the names of your columns, the names of your columns, names of your table, they are case sensitive, please. Is that clear? Please make sure that what it is the same thing you're having, you're also having here. Is that clear? So say insert into what? SQL series. Exactly. The next thing I want to do is to open the bracket and start mentioning the name of my column. Now I'll say what first name, then last name, right? Then the next note is age followed by gender, right? Now then after doing that, the next thing I say is what is values. Exactly. Don't forget, I've told you that what I can also actually say I want to continue it like this from here. I can say I want to continue it like this. But for what? Easy readability. I prefer making it like this. Exactly. Now then okay, let me start with my name. I'll just say the name is what and Korea ACG. Is this how I'm going to type it? No, if you type it like this, it is wrong. Whenever we are typing what our values, our data into what our table, we make sure that what they are quoted. Why? Because they are string, so we must make sure we are quoting them. Exactly. Unlike the name of our column, we did not quote them. Exactly. Whenever we are inserting what our data, exactly, we quote them. Except if it is what numbers. Exactly. So I would say what and in Postgre we use a single what quotation mark. Exactly. So just say Kowi. Kowi before what? For the first name, don't forget. Then comma. Exactly. What's my last name? My last name is what? ECG. Quotation again. OECG comma again. What's my age? I've told you we don't need to quote this. So just say what 23 comma. Then what's our gender? My gender is it's what I'm a male, so just say what's male like this. Now we come here. What what are we doing? We are terminating. Please don't forget we terminate with what with our semicolon. Then we come here like this. I can type my F5 from here. You see, query returned successfully. How am I going to show it has been added? Then I will have to come to this particular place and what 5 like this. What do you notice? Query age and what gender exactly. So that's how to what to do this. Okay, let me just boom this so we don't have to be going up every time again. Then the next thing I want to be doing now is what you see this is. So I've inserted query, right? The next thing I want to do is to add what some other what names. So like I said, I'm going to be adding what five more names. Exactly, five more names. So how are we going to go about that? The way we're going to go about that is this. Just say it is actually the same process. Just that what for that we are not going to be ending it yet. Exactly. We are not going to be terminating it yet. So insert into then what else what SQL series. Exactly. What am I going to do? First name, last name, age, gender. Exactly. Then the next now is what you see what values. So just what the next thing I want to write is what you see Esther Michael. Then Esther is 21. We assume that. Now what Esther is what a female. I'm done. Yes or no? So all I just have to do is what just put a comma here, then comma again. I don't need to what type values again. Open another bracket again. Then I'm saying what John. Then I'm saying Jesus. Then what's the age of John Jesus? I say what John Jesus is 18 years. He is what a guy male. The next thing is same thing. Come down here. So try as much as possible. Yes, at least that what they can be arranged this way. Exactly. Now, then another thing I want to add is what no, no, can say Rahim doing to sing. Right? You can see this is what 35 of years of age. Then the next thing that he is also what a male. Exactly. The next thing I want to do is come here again, comma. The next person is I want to add. Let me just use a player name we are used to. Let me say Thiago. Let me say Silva. Exactly. Let me say Thiago is what 46 years old. Let me see what he is a male. The next thing we want to be adding is what is out. Now the next thing I want to be adding is to add another name. Okay, let me say Muhammad Abdullah 63 said we don't need to quote the figures. Exactly. So I'm done like this. So just come in like this. Then now as usual F5. You can see it. Now let me select, let me just check what I have here. So you can see we inserted what our data into this. So this is how to what insert data. Now so let us assume that what I want to what check only the name and the age. I don't need the last name. I just want to check the first name and the age exactly. So don't forget I said what This star, now let me now explain this star very well. Now let me copy from here, Ctrl C, let me bring it here. To V. Now you see this star. What this star means is that what it means all the whole column. All the column. That is what this star means. It means all the column. Now what do I want now? I don't want to see all the column. I just want to check the first name and the age. Exactly. So how am I going to do that? I'll just what select. You know, I said the star means it's all column. So I can actually specify the name of column I want. Let's say first name. Let's see what's age. You don't need to add comma to this one again. So just come here like this, and F5. What can you see? First name and age only is what we can what see here. So that is how to go about it. You can specify as many column as what as possible. Exactly. I can even decide it's just what a particular column I want to see. Can just like I want to see, just select the last name. Exactly, the last name. And so what? From SQL 6. Then include it like this. So it's 5. You can see it. Right? I'm having only the last name is going to be turned out for me. So that's how to go about that here. So in our next class, we are going to be learning what how to what and actually specify use what this select statement with what some things here exactly. And also what we are going to be learning with how to insert table from what inform data from files. That's what we are going to be doing in our next video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in our next class. Bye.